How to check archive chat in Telegram. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So checking archive chat in Telegram is a very simple process. All you have to do is launch your Telegram application and in your chat section on the top, you will see a folder called archive chats. Simply tap on it and you will find all your archive chats. You can also unarchive it or just see it by tapping on the chat. And all your messages will be opened and will be visible to you. But if you want to unarchive this chat, all you have to do is tap and hold the chat, then tap on the three dot line from your top right corner and you will see the first option that says unarchive. Simply tap on it and now there are no more on archive chats left in my chat. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.